Rooms are clean enough that you walk in and don't feel like you need to bring your own bedding. Free breakfast option is amazing for this price. Bathrooms are nice, sometimes they have some lighting or shower malfunction but never inoperable. The heat works and TVs aren't cracked and broken. Other than the occasional room with a wonky desk, this place is pretty perfect for not being stupid expensive. Liked how it was close to the main destination that we went to. Conveniently located close to other amenities and definitely was a nice stay even if just for an overnight. Will definitely consider it in my list of options for stays. Staff is very kind, courteous, and generous. Rooms are clean, but if you have any issue with your room you can just ask for them to change it, and if there is another room available they will do so. Great service. Will always get a room here. Very clean and the staff are great. It was a good stay. Family stay. Great place. Everything. The woman that works the night shift was extremely helpful and hospitable. So was the daytime manager. They accommodated me as well as were understanding and professional at all times. I'd recommend this business to anyone looking for a night to get away, a last-minute stay, or even a home away from home. For the price we paid, it's good deal. Thanks. Great experience and great service. Everything is convenient. It's beautiful and clean. Highly recommend.